Algebra 1, Factorizing Expressions 2. Factorizing 2 is a unique case of factorization called difference of two squares. So it's kind of a slight curve away from factorization expression 1. Okay? So, but the main idea is still there. Your final answer must have brackets. So just remember, when you talk about factorization, your final answer must have brackets. So the final answer must be in the form open bracket x plus n close bracket, open bracket m minus n close bracket, where m and n can be any numerals or letters. In order to factorize a difference of two squares, you simply follow these steps. Ensure that the expression has exactly two terms separated by a minus sign. Each term must have square numbers and or letters with powers of exactly 2. Find the square root of the numbers and the letters. Place your answer in the form m plus n, m minus n in brackets. So you must ensure that the expression has exactly two terms and there must be a subtraction sign between them. Each term must have square numbers, so each term must be square numbers. So it could be a letter with a square on top of it, or the number itself is a square number, like 1, 4, 9, 16, okay, 81, and so forth. Find the square root of the numbers. All right, so square numbers, you can easily find the square root to give you a whole number, and you can square root the letter to give you the square of the letter to give you just the letter itself. Place your answer in the form m plus n, m minus n. So for example, factorize the following expressions. 9 squared subtract 25. Does that expression satisfy the conditions that we stated? Are there two terms? Yes. 9x squared is a term and 25 is a term. Is there a subtraction sign between them? Yes. 9x squared minus 25. Each term must have square numbers. Is that the case? 9 is a square number, x squared is a square number. 25 is a square number. So we have to find the square root of 9x squared and we have to find the square root of 25. The square root of 9x squared is 3x because the square root of 9 is 3, the square root of x squared is x, and the square root of 25 is 5. So your final answer is 3x plus 5, 3x minus 5. Second example, 16p squared subtract 49. Is 16 a square number? Yes. Is p squared a square number? Yes, p squared. Is there a subtraction sign? Yes. Is 49 a square number? Yes. Two terms, square numbers, separated by a subtraction sign. Square root of 16 is 4, and square root of p squared is p, so you have 4p. Square root of 49 is 7, so you have 4p plus 7, 4p minus 7. So we're going to apply that to those 4 examples, factorize the following expressions. Each one of them have two terms, yes. Each one of them have square numbers with a subtraction sign between them. So just simply follow these examples to do these exercises that are there. Remember, when you are watching this, when you are reading the examples, you must have pencil and paper at hand for you to always keep on practicing. Automatically be practicing.